Hello students, today we will do Maths 2 chapter number 1 basic concepts in geometry. These concepts we have already done in our previous standards. Let's us revise these concepts. A point, a line and a plane are undefined terms which are the basic concepts in geometry. These are the undefined terms. So let us see one by one. Point. What is a point? A fine and tiny dot made by a sharp pencil. A fine and a tiny dot made by a pencil. How do we write it as? Point A, point B. Next we'll have line. What is a line? A line is a set of points which extends infinitely in both the direction. It is a set of points which extends infinitely in both the direction. Let us draw and see it. This is a line. Now if you see, it is a set of points which extends infinitely in both the direction. The two arrows here indicate that the line is extending infinitely in both the direction. Now how do we name this line as line PQ? There are some other examples of writing the line with small letters like L, M, N. Examples with small letters. We have drawn a line over here, right? How to write it with small letters? Line N. Now we will have a plane. What is a plane? A plane is denoted by using the names of three non-collinear points on it. By using the names of three non-collinear points. For this we have to know what is a collinear and what is a non-collinear point. If you see, collinear points are in a line, whereas non-collinear points are not in a line. So a plane is denoted by using three non-collinear points such as plane X, Y, Z, plane P, Q, R. We can name it as plane X, Y, Z, plane P, Q, R. Coordinates of points and distance. We know that every real number can be represented by a point on the number line. Every real number can be represented by a point on the number line. The number associated with the point is called as the coordinate of that point. Now if you see here, the number associated with A is -4. That means -4 is the coordinate of A, 1 is the coordinate of B, 6 is the coordinate of C. Now if you see here, distance AB, A, B. Distance AB. This distance AB means the distance between points A and B. Distance AB means the distance from point A to point B. Now if you see here, you will find that distance AB is equal to distance BA. So how do we write it? Distance AB is equal to distance BA, because both their distances are same. Now let us study what is betweenness. To understand betweenness, let us draw a line. Line L, and here we are going to place 3 points P, Q and R. There exists a relation of betweenness among 3 distinct points. If you see, there is always a relationship between these 3 points. Now let us see what is this relation. If PQR are 3 distinct points and collinear, then distance of PQ plus distance of QR is equal to distance of PR. If this distance plus this distance is equal to the total distance PR, then it is said that point Q lies between point P and point R. P dash Q dash R. It can be written like this. There exists a relation of betweenness among 3 distinct collinear points, which have already stated what is a collinear and what is a non-collinear. If you see, they are collinear points, so there exists a relationship between them. What is the relation? That if distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR, then this point Q lies between point P and point R. Therefore, it can be written as P dash Q dash R. Let's start practice set 1.1. Find the distances with the help of the number line given below. There's a number line given to us. With the number line, we are going to find the distances. The first example in there is distance BE. Now we will find out the distance BE. See, what is the coordinate of B first? The coordinate of B is 2. What is the coordinate of E? The coordinate of E is 5. So we will first write that the coordinate of point, the coordinate of point B is, what is the coordinate of point B? Is 2, and the coordinate of point E is 5. The coordinate of B and the coordinate of E. As, now which is greater in this? 5. As 5 greater than 2, now we will write the distance. Therefore, distance BE is equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3 units. Let's take one more example. We'll take the third example, distance PC. Now what is the coordinate of P? We'll write. the coordinate of point P is, what is the coordinate of point P? -4. And the coordinate of point C is, what is the coordinate of point C? Is 3. Now look here, which is greater, -4 or 3 is greater? As 3 greater than -4, distance of P comma C is equal to 3 minus -4, which is equal to 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7 units. Let's take other example. Fifth, distance KO. So what is the coordinate of K? -3. What is the coordinate of O? Is 0. So let's write the coordinate of point K is, what is the point K's coordinate? -3. And the coordinate of point O is 0. Point K coordinate we got, point O coordinate we got. We do that as now 0, if you see at the number line, 0 is always greater. From here the greater number goes on, from here the lowest numbers come. So you will always see that 0 is always greater than the negative number. So 0 is greater than -3. Therefore, distance K comma O is equal to 0 minus -3, which is equal to 0 plus 3, which is equal to 3 units. Let's take one more example. We will take example number 7. And what does example 7 tells us? Distance PJ. So let's start. The coordinate of point P is, what is the coordinate of point P? -4. And the coordinate of point J is, now look at J. What is the coordinate of point J? -2. Yes. Now we have got -4, we have got -2. In negative, the smallest is always the greatest, as -2 greater than -4. Therefore, distance P J is equal to -2 minus -4, which is equal to -2 plus 4. Now, one is a negative number, other is a positive number. So we always subtract and sign of the greater number. So 2 take away 4, we get 2 units.